In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on your phone. So this will work both on Android and iOS. And in order to buy Bitcoin, we need a cryptocurrency broker account. The best broker in my opinion is Coinbase. As you can see, I already am using Coinbase. Coinbase is the largest crypto company in the world. It accepts credit card, PayPal and even more, and the fees to buy Bitcoin or other coins are very low, which is great. And if you want to create your own account, then go to the description down below and sign up with your account through this link, because you can get a $10 Bitcoin bonus when you sign up and buy your first Bitcoin. So you just want to open up the link, you want to hit it, and this will bring you over to this page where it says you were invited to try Coinbase. And as you can see, you receive $10 worth of free Bitcoin when you sign up right here. So that's what you want to do first. Just enter in your first name, email, password, everything like that. Then create your account. Then you have to verify your account. And once you have done that, you want to download the app. So because I already created my own Coinbase account, I have already done this step, but it's very straightforward. Just complete the process and then it will be done. Then you want to go to the Play Store or the App Store where you want to download the Coinbase app. So as you can see, I already downloaded this app. So I am going to open it. It is called Coinbase Buy and Sell Bitcoin, the crypto wallet. Just hit open and then it will bring you over to the app. As you can see here, you can see all kind of different cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin at the top. So now you want to go to portfolio, and here you can see that I only have 36 cents of crypto on this account, which is not a lot. But what you want to do first, you want to deposit fiat money. So fiat money is US dollar, euro, Great Britain pound, or anything like that. It depends on the country, but because I live in Europe, I have to deposit euros. So you want to hit euros, or if you're using USD or anything like that, just hit that money. So just hit it and then go to deposit, just like this. And here you can choose the deposit method. So you can choose I can choose between Ideal and Euro bank account, but it depends on the country where you live. So I usually use Ideal, but you can choose any payment method that you want that's available for you. So now you want to enter in the amount you want. So I do 50, then hit preview deposit. And then you can hit deposit now and add the payment method, and then it will be added instantly for me. And once you've done that, you can go back to portfolio right here, and then you want to find Bitcoin. So it's right here. Hit Bitcoin and then hit trade, and then you can enter in the amount. So just enter in the amount you want and then hit preview deposit, and you bought Bitcoin. So if this video helped you out to buy Bitcoin on your phone with Coinbase, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.